Hi there. The SkelStart engine start module can save you countless hours during your truck's lifetime. No more late deliveries. No more problems with dead batteries. So let's get started. For installation, you'll need a SkelStart, cable sleeve, cables with cable lugs, standard shop tools, terminal block or a nut-bolt connection, zip ties, voltmeter, and an average truck mechanic. First, remove the battery cover and all battery cables. Replace one of the 12-volt batteries with a SkelStart. Disconnect all the cables from the starter positive solenoid. Battery positive terminal, the alternator, and other vehicle loads, and connect these cables together using a terminal block or a nut-bolt connection and fasten the nuts securely, leaving the starter out of the system. Assemble one new cable connecting the SkelStart and the starter positive solenoid. This is important. Connect this new cable to the starter, but do not connect the other end with SkelStart yet. Connect battery plus cable to the SkelStart ESM-B positive terminal and connect battery negative cable to the SkelStart ESM-B negative terminal. Now you can reconnect the vehicle batteries. Measure the voltage between the starter cable and both the positive and negative terminals on the SkelStart. In both cases, the multimeter should read 0 volts. After checking the voltage, connect the starter cable to the SkelStart positive starter terminal S+, and fasten all the terminal connections securely. Turn the device on by holding the power button for 5 seconds. The flashing green light means the device is charging. When the light goes out, the SkelStart is ready to start your engine. This is the last touch your SkelStart needs, and you don't need to maintain it for the rest of your truck's lifetime. From now on, your starting power comes always from SkelStart. Your truck will start in all weather conditions and even with dead batteries. For more info and a detailed installation manual, visit SkelStart.com. Have a nice start. SkelStart.